Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss some problems of probability. In probability we already finished. Now some important question we are discussing. These type of questions in every year get 100% come in exam like this one. What is find the probability of? So what is given? 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. We have 3 coins, okay? We have 3 coins and tossed simultaneously. Yes, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Simultaneously means together. All 3 coins are tossed together. Okay, and how many times? 200 times. Suppose we have 1 coin and tossed how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 200 times. 200 times with the following frequency. And when we tell me, suppose you throw 3 coins together, maybe every time head come. Next time is also maybe head come. Next time maybe 2 head come, maybe 1 tail come. Maybe it is possible. What is? All are tail come. So it means 3 head, it is 2 head, it is 0 head, and fourth head is come only 1 time. If head is 1 time, so it means tail is 2 times, so it means 1 head. And these types, because we toss the coins how many times? 200 times. So we observe, we get result 3 head. This result we find how many times? 23 times. 2 head how many? 72 times. 1 head 77 times. And 0 head means all are tail. Yes, all are tail or not? If 0 head means all are tail. So 0 head means 28 times. Then find the probability of, so you can check it, frequency also 200 times. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 3, 20. And so its sum is 200. So we have to find the probability of, first is at most 2 head. At most 2 head. Suppose, think first, listen. Suppose I ask you, find the probability exactly 2 head. If we find the probability of exactly 2, first is exactly 2 head. Exactly 2 head means how many times is 2? How many times 2 head come? How many times? 2 is 72 times and divide by number of trials. How many trials? 200. Because how many times we toss the coin? 200 times per trial. 200. So 72 by 200. If question is exactly 2 head, but in question is here at most 2 head. So don't be think exactly and exactly mean perfect number, but at most mean. So it means exactly and at most 2 head are not same. So what is meaning of at most and at least? If you understand these 2 words, what is at least, what is minimum, you can solve the every question very easily. And it is definitely come 100%. At the question is came on at least or at most. So what is meaning of at most? So first note down what is at most. I am writing here what is at most. At most mean maximum. What is maximum? Either you will say maximum or you can say that at most. It means not more than. Understand or not? At most means not more than. If I say you has at most 10 rupees, so it means you have your rupees is not more than 10. Either you say at maximum, or you can say then less than or equal. It means less than or equal. This one you can remember. What is meaning of at most? Less than or equal. So what is the question is here? At most 2 head. So find. Right. First we will find number of. We will have to find the probability of at most 2 head. So right. Number of 2 heads at most 2 head frequency. How much? At most mean what I told you? Less than or equal to. Less than. At most. How many head? At most 2 head. How many head? We want to find here. Probability of whose? At most 2 head. 2 head means less than or equal to 2. It means less than or equal to 2 heads. Because we want to find at most whose probability? 2 head. 2 head means it's either less than or equal. Okay, less than and equal. Whose? Less than or equal to 2 head. So less than 2 head, how many? So less than 2 head. It is also less than 2 head. Yes, 0. It is also less than and or equal. So it is how much? 72 plus 77 plus 28. So how many? So it's become 177. So how many number of frequency whose provide at most 2 head? So how many at most 2 head? At most 2 head mean less than or equal to. So all are included. Less than 2. Which one is less than 2 and equal to all? This one also, this one also, this one also. Because at most, what is meaning of at most? Meaning less than. So less than 2. All 77, 28 or equal or 70. Understand it? Now we will find the probability of this. So note down it. What is meaning of at most? At most meaning maximum or less than or equal. Either you can say that. One more meaning not more than 2. Okay? Either you can say that one more. Either or not more than. So what at most 2 head means? Not more than 2 head. Not more than 2 head. So more than 2 head, which one? Only 3. So this one is not included and rest are all are included. Understand it? So this one. So right, find the probability. Right? There is space problem. I am writing here. So now you can write. So probability of at most 2 heads. How much? So it is 177. So how much at most 2 head? 2 head at most is 177 divided by 200. Understand it? If you understand this word, at most means less than or equal to. And whose? We want to find probability whose? At most 2 head. So less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to. Or you can remember not more than. Who? At most 2 head. So it means not more than 2 head. So we have to take all which one is not more than 2. Yes, 1 is more than 2, no, it is also included. 0 is more than 2, no, it is also included. 2 is more than 2, no, it is also, but 3 head, 3 is more than 2, yes, it means it is not included. What is not more than? Understand it? So now, next part, our at least. What is meaning of at least? If you understand this one word also, at least mean beta, it is minimum. 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 If I ask, suppose I ask you, how many rupees in your pocket? So you don't know confirm, but you will say, sir, at least 10 rupees. At least. It's mean not less than. At least mean not less than. Either you say that minimum, either you say that not less than. Either you can say that at least mean. What you can say that? Either you can say that more than or equal. Understand? So these three words, anyone you can remember, minimum, not less than, and this one. Either. Okay? So now, whose probability? At least one head. So first we will find how many number of at least one head. So we will write number of at least one head. So how many at least one head? It means, what is meaning of at least? More than or equal to. Whose? Number of at least one head. At least means more than or equal. So more than or equal to whose? One head. So more than one. Which one is more than one? Because at least mean more than. So, and whose probability? More than one, which one? 2 is also more than, 3 is also more than, and or equal also. So at least one head. So this one is also into. So this one, which one? So it means which one? Number of at least one head. At least mean more than. So more than one. 2 is also, 3 is also. Or equal. 1 is also what is? 23 plus 77 plus 72. 77. And it is 72. So how much come? It is come 172. Understand it? Otherwise you can think like this one. At least mean more than or equal to. More than or equal to. Otherwise, at least one head means not less than. So at least not less than one head. So you have to take all which are not less than 2, 1. Less than 1 whose? 0. So it is not included. All are included. Understand? So right? Probability at least one head. It is 172 divided by 200. You can cut 200. 2, 8 ja, 2, 6 ja. Now again from 2, 43. So what is answer? 43 divided by 50. So it is very, very important. What is meaning of at least and at most? At least mean not less than. At most mean not more than. You can remember like this one also, not less than or not more than. Otherwise, at least mean more than or equal. All the more than and equal. You can remember. Understand it? So it is our fifth. Understand? So everyone solve this question, note down it, and these two parts you will solve it, and two more question I am giving you. So what is? And next in this one, what is? Find probability. Find the probability of what is? At most 3 heads. At most 3 heads. And second is yes, at least three tails. Find the probability of this one. Now how will you find? First we have to remember what is meaning at least, what is meaning of at most. At most mean not more than or less than or equal. And second is not more than. So first is Whose probability? At most 3 head. At most mean less than or equal to. So it's mean to write first number of frequency at most 3 heads. How many number of frequency? Which is at most 3 heads. At most mean less than or equal to. Whose number of at most 3 head. So it means less than or equal to 3. So less than 3. So at most mean less than. So less than 3. It is also less than 3. It is also less than 3. It is also less than 3. Or equal. Equal. 3 is also equal to 3. Yes. So all are 23 plus 72 plus 77 plus 28. What is 200? So probability is at most 3 head is 200 divided by 200. What is probability is 1. Understand it? Because at most 3 head. At most mean less than or equal to 3. So less than to 3. All are, these are less than and equal to 3 also. Understand? Same as it is. So first, at least 3 tails. So first we will find number of at least 3 tails. Now we will ask, sir, here it only head given, but tail is not given. It is not given. So tell me one thing. If you throw 3 coins, how many coins? Together. If in every coins 0 head mean every time you find tail. It mean how many tail? 3 tail. Understand? If you throw 3 coins and every times you find 3 head, so it mean every time head if you find, so it mean it is 0 tail. Understand? If you throw 3 coins 200 times and 2 head mean 1 time 2 head and 1 is tail. It mean it is 1 tail. Yes, it is 1 tail. Same as it is 1 head mean 1 time head and 2 times tail. Because how many coins? 3 coins. 1 time head, 2 time tail. So it mean it is 2 tail. Understand? So it mean 0 head mean 3 tail. 1 head mean 2 tail. 1 head, 2 head mean 2 head, 1 tail. So we have to find at least 3 tail. At least. At least mean more than or equal to. At least mean 3 tails. So at least mean more than. So tell me, at least mean more than 3 tails. How many number more than 3 tails? So it is 3 tails. It is 2 tail. So more than 3 tail mean 4 tail, 5 tail, 6 tail. But it is 3 tail, 2 tail, 1 tail, 0. Only, so it means no one is more than 3 tails. Oh, but more than or equal to 3 tails. How many? 28. Understand? So it means so probability at least 3 tails is 28 by 200. So 4 7 and 50. So what is the answer? 7 divided by 50. So you should remember what is meaning of at most. At most mean maximum or not, or at most mean less than or equal. Less than or equal. Understand it? So now I will give you some more question and this our chapter is finished. And if you have any problem, you can ask. So note down it. What is at least? What is at most? Both of the these you have to should remember. So now. So note down. Question number 1. From our exercise, question number 2. 1500 families. I am writing the question number 2, but I am give the different question from this. So write from 1,500 families with two children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. So following data are recorded. So write first is number of girls in family, number of families, number of girls, 2 girls, how many? 2, 1 and 0. There is a survey was conducted on 1,500 families, number of 2 children. So number of girls in the family 2. So how many number of family? 475, 814 and 211. So write, find the probability. So I'm giving now question. Which one? Yeah, first is find the probabilities less than or equal to 2 girls. First part is find the probability, the number of less than or equal to 2 girls. Second is find the probability more than 1 girls. Third one is find the probabilities of more than or equal to 1 girls. Fourth part I am writing, find the probability of more at least 2 girls. Next is find the probabilities is at most 1 boys. You should remember, because either in from the children, one is boy, one is girl. If both 2 are girls, so it means 2 children. So here is 0 boys. If 1 girl, so 1 boy. If 0 girl, it means both are boys. Understand? So solve yourself. And 6 is find the probabilities of less than 0 girls. Next, 7th is less than 0 boys. So you have to find all these probabilities. There are seven questions in this question, okay? And you have to solve. Use the at most and at least. At most mean maximum or less than or equal. Understand it? So it is very important question. Every year on at most and at least the question will come. Understand it? So thank you everyone. So this chapter is already finished. So now you can ask me any problem. So next class we will take on Google Meet also, and now we will revise the whole chapter. 7th chapter also we can revise, because your PT2, your UT2 will be start in October, in first week of October. So everyone has to preparation. Okay, everyone. So thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.